chicken. Moi, je reste tout de suite. Je suis même bon du gars. Attends une minute. Okay. You guys ready?
Yo. We have to come here.
Oh yeah, get closer, get closer.
Alright, cameraman next to me.
Alright. Mine's, my trigger is locked. Pull on it.
Yeah, the safety. There you go.
Where is it?
Hang on, that's good. Just shooting the trigger and you'll see. Yeah, hang on.
Don't shoot him now.
This kid's.
Guys ready?
Ready, chicken?
3, 2, 1, go! Stop!
Okay, wait. Let me go see if he's alive. How's my favorite chicken? Pain? What is the reaction?
Oh.
Motherfucker.
Is that bad?
Straight in the head.
Inside of the thighs. Oh, right in the face. I was full.
And I didn't miss a lot.
You okay?
I barely got him inside of the thighs.
No, I had this at least. Your chicken is off.
Nope. Okay guys, put your flag back on. We're gonna head on out. Take this suit off. Then we'll come back in and play on a different field.